What is up, everybody? My name is Brian McManus, one of the founders of Avoca, and today we're going to go over how to find interested consumers in solar. First things first, you have to set up a subscription to sign up for the Solar Intent database. Now, these two databases are people who have been Googling solar services recently in the last 7 days. This does not mean they want to buy solar. However, they were Googling solar. So use your imagination of why someone would Google solar. Maybe they want solar. Maybe they're looking for a refund. Maybe they're doing a research paper in college and are looking it up. The abilities are limited. Let's say you are doing solar and you want to go off and find people in the state of New Jersey. Well, you could just go off into the personal state, click New Jersey, and just like that, we just made our results from 680,000 people looking for solar to 86,671 people looking for solar. Now, you have all these other abilities to filter. So what I'm going to do is I want to find people who are listed as a CXO. What a CXO is: CEO, CFO, COO, partner, president, founder, owner, anyone that's the big dog in the decision. And I also want to make sure that every single phone number is a skip trace. Why? Because these are validated 3 times, meaning we found the number in our original source and we're able to link it to 3 other validated sources. This isn't the only number you need to use. So CXO isn't going to work as a title. It happens. I typed in under job title. That's why. It's seniority level. Seniority level is where you type in manager, director, vice president, CEO. This is the job title. So if we want to then look up founder under job title, that would then find us some results, probably like 77. Let's say this is the list you want. You are able to go view it. We can obviously see there's some age ranges, children, gender, homeowner. And if we just want to look through, well, most of them are homeowners. So I'm not going to go to the extra extent to remove this just yet. If they're married, net worth, income. We were looking at the job title before because we wanted to find founders. And if we see here, we have founder, president, founder, CEO. We have the exact list we want. I want to actually make my list a little bigger, and I'm going to remove both the founder and the CXO because what I see here is executive. And let's see what happens to our results when we hit executive. So now we have our results and we have 2,286 New Jersey homeowners that are executives in their company. And if you can see, we do have a lot more definitions, which theoretically do fit the category we're looking at. So I'm going to go and purchase this list. I want to get 500 of these leads for myself, and I'm going to name it New Jersey Executives Looking for Solar. I'm going to select the email I want, and I'm going to hit buy save list. Now you have the further ability to now resend the leads to yourself by clicking the email button. And with this option, you can actually remove what it is you do not want. So in this example, I just want the homeowner, job title, last name, department, first name, and I'd only want the skip trace phone number. And we'll also take the LinkedIn URL. So now when we go off and we send this to ourselves, it takes a few minutes, it'll finally deliver and you'll be able to use that CSV. Now, what if you wanted to predefine those lists? Maybe you pick the same thing every time and you don't want to have to filter every time. Well, you would have the ability to actually predefine what's in the list. So we'll click our solar intent lead, January, and we're going to look for New Jersey. So all we would have to do is find the category department, type in executive, and then we would have to find the personal state, which is the home they live in, which is New Jersey. Now we can hit get count. I actually want to put the skip trace wireless in. Actually, I'm not going to put that in. That'll be a good example. So when we hit create, we can now see that our list, New Jersey executives. You would have the ability to take this list of executives, and if you wanted to turn this into a skip trace wireless list, you would only have to actually flip the switch right here. So now you're dividing this rebuilt list in advance. So when we hit search, you'll notice we end up with the same amount of results as we did before. Now we are able to find the exact lead solar we're looking for. Check the link below, sign up for free, a few leads every day. Make sure you subscribe. We have lots of random promotions that you're going to want to hear. Save some money.